guys, so today I'll be opening this mini butter slime. So let's just start with opening it, of course. I have some scissors here. They're big scissors, so I need to be okay, so don't know how to open this. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. So this is how it looks. That is so exciting for me. Like there's little charms you can add in, and there's blue and pink little beads. And there's also some sprinkles. So that's exciting. And I'm just gonna keep these right here. There's tons. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna lay them out. Like this. Here, let's do this. Let this go right here. Yeah, that's what I wanna. Okay, so there's a tower of slime right there. Kind of messed it up. That smells so good. Do you get one of those scented boxes? I don't know, but I got a scented box. Okay, we're gonna move that off to the side. Oops. Okay, so we're just gonna open one slime because that's probably how all of them are gonna feel. So, yeah. Oh, they're scented. Ooh, they're scented. I love scented slimes. Okay, so we're just gonna pick 2. Okay, 2. And I'm just gonna have my eyes closed and just randomly pick one. I'm gonna spread them out like that. And now I'm gonna pick one. Okay, so I got these. So we're just gonna put these off to. That probably wasn't a good idea. We're gonna put these back in the box because, yeah, we're not gonna be playing with them right now. We're just gonna put that off to the side. Okay, so I think I can just peel this. yeah. Okay, so they're just like, you just like do that and they open. That smells so good, guys. Oh my gosh. I wish you guys could smell this right now. Like, it smells so good. Oh, oh my gosh. It's a little sticky, but it smells and it feels so good. It's like, okay. Let's see. Let's check if it's spider slime. Here, guys, I'll let you see this. I'm gonna do it off to this side now. Yep, that's butter slime. That's butter slime. And it's so stretchy. I love this. This one is probably my favorite. It smells so good. And it has the best texture ever. And it's just my favorite. I'm speechless. It's so good. It's so good. I love it. Well, I can't be playing with this too much because this is so, oh my gosh. I love that. I loved that. That was the best experience ever. So we're gonna try this purple one now. It's a little wet. I think that's just from where they put the scent in. What is this? Oh. Oh my gosh. It's so slippery. I guess it'll soak in. It's so wet. I mean, I'm just gonna try to knead it. That also smells really good. I'm gonna try to knead it and like get it in there. I guess it's from where it's been sitting out in the heat, but it's not sticky at all. It's just really wet. Let me just try to. Yeah. But it's super stretchy. But yeah, it's not super wet anymore. It's so pretty. I just we moved on from the wetness, the wet at the beginning. We've moved on from that because it smells so good. It smells so good. Not as good as the last one, but still, it smells good. And it has great texture besides the wetness. I don't know. But it's like after you knead it, it's not wet anymore. And it feels so nice and it's so stretchy. Like literally I could just do this all day. I could do this all day. Oh my gosh. It's so satisfying. Oh. But it's not rippy at all. What you just saw, it's just because I was like so excited and I just, You just have to like stretch it like kind of slow. Like that's how I do it with butter slimes. I know because I love slimes. This is probably the best slime I've ever played with in my whole life. I've never ordered a slime off Amazon. I've never ordered a slime. I've just never got it ordered to my house because, you know, it's like, I don't know, it just feels so good. I can't stop. If I try to stop, then it won't. Okay. But this was the best experience ever. Oh my gosh, I can't stop. Oh my gosh. I can't stop. I love it. I can't stop. I can't. It's just so pretty. Oh, so stretchy. And look at this tiny little container. Oh my gosh. I got it so fluffy. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I can just like pat it. I fluffered it up so much. And now I gotta, sometimes you just gotta throw away a little something. Or just like not throw it away and just like keep it. I don't know. But let's just shake some slime. Do that, do that. We can add a little more because it's not gonna hurt if we just add a little more. Oh my gosh, I can't. This is so satisfying, y'all. Like literally. I know I don't have the best lighting, but yeah, I really recommend these slimes. They smell so good and they have the best texture ever, and I just can't stop playing with it. Like literally, it feels so good. But bye guys, love y'all.